Product Review, Brother Printer DCP T710W. Are you looking for a reliable printer to meet your home or small office needs? The Brother Printer DCP T710W offers some appealing features, but there are also some drawbacks that potential buyers should consider. Advantages: XEROX Copy Capability. One of the standout advantages of the Brother Printer DCP T710W is its ability to Xerox copy folio 8.5 by 13 size paper. This makes it suitable for handling a variety of document sizes. Continuous printing. Unlike some printers that stop after a certain number of prints, the DCP T710W impressively doesn't have a print counter, allowing you to print large documents without interruptions. Durable printer head. The printer comes equipped with a heavy-duty printer head, ensuring a longer lifespan and improved performance. Built-in ink tank. The built-in ink tank is a cost-effective feature as it lessens the need to buy expensive cartridges, potentially saving you money in the long run. Disadvantages: thin photopaper requirement. The printer demands the use of thin photopaper for printing, limiting your options when it comes to paper thickness. Ink overflow inside the printer. One drawback is the ink overflow inside the printer, which can be messy and require frequent cleaning. Paper jam issues. Some users have reported that the printer occasionally takes too much paper when printing, leading to frustrating paper jams. Print reversal glitches. A concerning issue is the printer's tendency to reverse the print at times, causing alignment problems. High price of printer head. The replacement cost of the printer head is relatively high, which could be a significant expense if it ever needs to be replaced. Slow print cancellation. Canceling a print job takes an unnecessarily long time, which can be frustrating when you need to stop a print urgently. Expensive ink. The cost of ink cartridges is quite high, negating the advantage of having a built-in tank for cost savings. Ink wastage. The printer occasionally wastes ink, as it might print an underlying color, example red, before printing the desired color, example blue, to achieve proper coverage. Underused features. Some users have found the printer's Wi-Fi transfer and other features unnecessary and hardly used. Brother Printer DCP T710W offers some practical advantages such as Xerox copying, continuous printing, and a built-in ink tank. However, it has some noticeable drawbacks such as the need for thin photopaper, ink overflow, and expensive ink. While it may be suitable for certain use cases, potential buyers should carefully consider their specific printing needs and priorities before making a decision.